Have I been ice skating before? No. Is it something I've thought about, wanted to do for a long time? No. But is it something I'm gonna do because I like the thrill of trying new things? Yes. Yes, it is. Okay, so we made it, and I think I start at 1, so it's still like 30 minutes to time. But one of the reasons why I wanted to come early, I think they're actually cleaning it or something. I don't know. But yeah, one of the reasons I came early was I did not get my ticket. They were supposed to email me a ticket. I did not get the ticket. I only have the ticket number, so I don't know how that works. But yeah, so I'm here to inquire about that. And then what else? So there is that, and then I wanted to check out the Walgreens right opposite because it's right over there. Because I have a toothache. There is that. But let me go first sort out my ticket issue and then come back. The time has come. We're done wearing our skirts and it's time to go on the rake. Everybody's just going in line and I'm scared as hell. I'm scared. Guys, I just checked and my arm is bruised. But okay. Easy. I know we were just supposed to go skating today, but we did a little something. We went a little shopping. But yeah. Visited a few stores and got myself a few things. And now I'm heading to work. I'm supposed to start work at 4. It's like 20 minutes to 4, so time to work.